SimplePractice Telehealth Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, I'll provide an honest review of SimplePractice Telehealth, specifically focusing on its key features, usability, and whether it's the right choice for your practice. SimplePractice Telehealth is a HIPAA-compliant platform designed primarily for mental health professionals, therapists, and counselors who need a secure and reliable way to conduct online sessions with their clients. It seamlessly integrates with the broader SimplePractice platform, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for scheduling, billing, and client management. One of the standout features of SimplePractice Telehealth is its ease of use. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for both practitioners and clients to navigate. Setting up sessions is straightforward, and clients can join with a single click, either from their computer or mobile device, without needing to download any additional software. The video quality is generally good, with a stable connection, provided both parties have a decent internet connection. However, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues, particularly in areas with weaker internet service. The platform also offers useful features like screen sharing and session recording, which can be invaluable for certain types of therapy. Additionally, SimplePractice ensures that all sessions are encrypted, providing a high level of security to protect client confidentiality. This is crucial for maintaining compliance with privacy laws and building trust with your clients. However, it's important to note that SimplePractice Telehealth is not the cheapest option on the market. While its pricing is competitive, considering the breadth of features offered, there are more budget-friendly alternatives available. But for those who already use SimplePractice for practice management, the integration and convenience may justify the cost. Overall, SimplePractice Telehealth is a solid choice for mental health professionals who need a reliable, secure, and easy-to-use platform for online therapy sessions. It's particularly well-suited for those already using SimplePractice's other features, though it may not be the best fit for those on a tight budget or in areas with unreliable internet connectivity. If you're looking for a well-rounded telehealth solution that integrates seamlessly with your existing practice management tools, SimplePractice Telehealth is worth considering. Make sure to weigh the pros and cons before making your final decision.